Across war zones and broken borders, echoes of truth still break through. This is Global Echo.
We look up at the night sky and see Mars, a tiny reddish wanderer among the stars. Once a symbol of war, Mars is now a beacon of hope, a potential new home for humanity. Why Mars? Because in the cosmic lottery, it's our best shot at survival beyond Earth. Colonizing Mars isn't just science fiction, it's a response to the reality that nothing lasts forever. Civilizations rise and fall, planets change, and stars die. To ensure our survival, we must become a multi-planetary species. Mars is our backup plan, our first step into the cosmos. Its silent, ancient deserts are a blank canvas, waiting for life. Mars is both familiar and alien, challenging us to explore and adapt. The quest to reach Mars is one of humanity's greatest scientific adventures. It forces us to ask, will we stay confined to Earth, or venture out? Mars is the test of our courage and ingenuity. It holds secrets of its own past, perhaps even traces of ancient water or life. By going there, we seek not just a new home, but a deeper understanding of life and our place in the universe. The red planet waits, silent and patient. Our ambition and fragility are reflected in its barren landscapes. The journey to Mars is the next chapter in humanity's story. Will we answer its call? From space, Earth is a vibrant oasis. But up close, it's a planet under stress. Melting ice sheets, drying rivers, and a warming climate reveal our impact. Our civilization has wrapped the planet in a heat-trapping blanket of carbon dioxide. The consequences are real and dangerous. Beyond our actions, Earth faces cosmic threats, asteroid impacts, supervolcanoes, and more. Staying on one world is risky. It's putting all our eggs in one fragile basket. Seeking a second home isn't abandoning Earth. It's preserving humanity. A self-sustaining outpost on another world is the ultimate insurance policy. The task is daunting, but the alternative is to gamble with our future. The cosmos calls us to look up and plan for survival beyond our blue marble. Will we heed the warning signs and take action? Searching for a new home, we find Mars, Earth's distant, estranged twin. Venus is a furnace Mercury, a scorched rock, and the gas giants are inhospitable. Mars, however, shares key similarities with Earth. Its day is nearly the same length as ours, and it has seasons due to a similar axial tilt. Polar ice caps grow and shrink with the seasons, holding vital water and carbon dioxide. Mars has weather, clouds, and wind, faint echoes of Earth's atmosphere. Its geology is familiar: vast canyons, giant volcanoes, and evidence of ancient rivers. Mars may once have been warmer and wetter, perhaps even home to life. These similarities make Mars approachable, a fixer-upper, not a lost cause. Its problems are immense, but not insurmountable. Mars offers a foothold for humanity's future. Its rusty soil awaits cosmic gardeners. We can imagine solving its challenges with science and technology. Mars is not perfect, but it's within reach. It's the world we can understand and maybe one day call home. Mars is brutally hostile. Its atmosphere is thin, less than 1% of Earth's, and mostly carbon dioxide. Temperatures plunge to deadly lows, and water is locked away as ice or permafrost. Liquid water can't survive on the surface. Radiation is a constant threat, with no magnetic field or thick atmosphere to shield us. Habitats must be shielded, perhaps buried underground. Every day on Mars is a fight for survival. Air, water, warmth, and protection. It's the ultimate test of human ingenuity. Science thrives on challenges, and Mars offers plenty. We've already created MOXIE, a device that turns Martian carbon dioxide into oxygen. Scaling up this tech is key to making Mars livable. To survive radiation and cold, early habitats will likely be underground or built from Martian soil. Lava tubes could become natural shelters, and 3D printing robots could build protective structures. Water will be extracted from subsurface ice by robotic prospectors. Electrolysis can split water into oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for fuel. Food will be grown in pressurized greenhouses using hydroponics or aeroponics. Martian soil contains minerals for plants but must be treated to remove toxins. Closed-loop systems will recycle water and plant waste. We're building a new Eden, one scientific breakthrough at a time. Every solution brings us closer to a self-sustaining colony. Mars is a puzzle, and science is our toolkit. Mars has one more unpredictable threat: dust. Its surface is coated in fine, electrostatically charged dust. When the wind rises, dust storms can engulf entire continents or the whole planet. Global dust storms plunge Mars into darkness for weeks or months. The dust clings to everything, damaging equipment and blocking solar panels. For astronauts, it's a health hazard and a constant nuisance. The greatest danger is the loss of sunlight. Solar power can drop by 99%. Imagine losing power for months, no lights, no heat, no life support. Nuclear power may help, but the scale of these storms is daunting. Dust storms are Mars's untamable monster. They test the limits of our technology and resolve. The story of Opportunity rover shows the true power of Martian dust storms. Designed for 90 days, Opportunity explored Mars for nearly 15 years. It found evidence of ancient water and sent back 250,000 images. In 2018, a dust storm grew to engulf the planet, starving Opportunity of sunlight. Its solar panels couldn't recharge, the rover went silent. NASA sent over 1,000 recovery commands, but there was only silence. After 8 months, the mission was declared over. Opportunity's final message: "My battery is low and it's getting dark." It's a humbling lesson. Nature always has the final say. Mars's mysteries remain unconquered despite our best efforts. The red planet reminds us of our limits and our determination. Every step forward is hard won. The journey to Mars is as much about humility as ambition.
Want more stories that echo across the world? Subscribe to Global Echo and never miss the truth.